Stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck grind? Let's change that starting today. In 2024, it's crucial to adopt smart money tactics to break free from this cycle. First up, let's talk about budgeting. Forget about cutting your daily coffee. Think bigger. Try the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Next, consider investing. If you're new to this, start with index funds or ETFs. They're low risk and easy to manage. Lastly, increase your income streams. Whether it's a side hustle, freelancing, or boosting your education, every dollar counts. Still not convinced? Meet Sarah. She was drowning in credit card debt, but turned it all around with smart budgeting and a side gig in graphic design. Now, she's debt-free, saving, and investing like a pro. So, what's your favorite money tactic for 2024? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success. Thanks for watching.